All right, so we're going to take a look at using technology to graph our quadratic equations and to then also uh, investigate some of the properties of that quadratic function. So we'll grab our graphing calculator, we'll press the y equals button, and we'll enter in this function right here, exactly as it's given. So negative 0.12x squared plus 3x. We're going to hit graph. Now my window settings look a little different than the standard ones, so we'll just take a look at those. So if you press window, I left x min at negative 10. I increased x max to 30 because when I graphed it on the standard window, I noticed that the whole graph wasn't showing, so I had to increase my x max. And then I also had to increase my y max because the top of the graph wasn't showing. So when I graph it, here's my graph, and now it's looking for the maximum height and how far from the opening in the ground can the water reach. So let's worry about that maximum height first. So in order to figure out that maximum height, we're going to press second trace. We're going to go to maximum. We're going to hit enter. Now we're going to get a little flashing thing here, and it's going to say left bound. So we want that little flashy thing to be on the left side of the maximum point that we're looking for. So in this case, it is, so we're going to hit enter. Now we want the right bound to be on the right side of our maximum value. Right now it's over here, so we have to move it over to the right. And that's more than plenty. So we hit enter. The calculator wants us to guess. It's like, yes, please just do the work. And so the maximum is at 12.5. So the x value is 12.5. The y value is 18.75. The y value is our height. So that will be the maximum height of that water stream will be 18.75 feet. Now we're also looking for when will it hit the ground over here. So this will be when y is equal to 0, right? It'll be our x-intercept. So we go back to second trace. Now x-intercepts are also known as zeros, right? When y is equal to 0. So we're going to find the 0. And we need, again, that left bound to be on the left side. I like to move it a little closer. You don't have to. So you hit enter. You move the right bound to the other side of the where it crosses. Hit enter, tell it to guess, and at 25 feet, that water is going to hit the ground again.